Do you know anyone who is snoring? So today we're going to talk about the snoring. Well, but most people are not aware of maybe you are, but as far as I have experienced, most people are not. Snoring is also a warning sign of your body that there is a problem with your carbohydrate metabolism. Isn't that interesting? And yet, when you start to see what people stuffing down the throat and then are amazed about the fact that they make those sounds like a truck is going through the room. Now, the other thing is also, you can actually stop snoring within 2 months. Anyone who hasn't stopped snoring within 2 months, I will ask them, what have you been doing? And see, and that's how simple it is. So everything what you stick in your mouth, and you can have your own unique snoring triggers. Some people, when they eat raw onions, they will snore. Other people have some other things. They might say, well, when I drink a bit of beer, they might snore. But it is a very interesting thing. You can completely stop snoring without any snoring device, because snoring devices are not dealing with the underlying issue what your body is actually telling you. That's it. That's it. How simple is that? To have peace in the house.